My mother is the best mother in the world. Every morning, she makes a beautiful white rangoli at our door to welcome guests. Her food is so tasty, but she always eats last after feeding everyone. Even when she is tired, she never stops smiling. She hides her sadness so we never feel worried. Her hands are always busy, cooking rotis, cleaning, or teaching me maths. She is very kind. She feeds street dogs and helps old neighbors. When I make mistakes, she corrects me without shouting. Every night, she prays to God for our family's happiness. I love my mother very much and want to make her proud one day.